So here's the brutal truth. You've been doing home workouts for weeks, maybe months, and you're still not seeing the results you want. Your body looks the same, your energy is flat, and you're starting to wonder if home workouts even work. Spoiler alert, they absolutely do, but 90% of people make the same 3 critical mistakes that kill their progress and keep them spinning their wheels. I've coached thousands of people through home fitness transformations, and these 3 mistakes show up every single time. The good news, once you fix these, your body will respond faster than you ever thought possible. So let's dive into why your home workouts aren't working and how to fix it starting right now. Mistake number 1, you're not creating real intensity. Here's what most people do. They follow along with a workout video, do some jumping jacks, a few squats, maybe some modified push-ups, and call it done. But here's the problem, your body adapts to stress, not movement. If you're not genuinely challenging yourself, your muscles have zero reason to change. Why this kills your progress. Your body is incredibly efficient. It only builds muscle, burns fat, and increases strength when it absolutely has to. When your workouts feel comfortable, you're not in the adaptation zone, you're just going through the motions. The fixed progressive overload at home, this means every workout should feel harder than the last, not by adding weight but by increasing time under tension. Adding more reps, holding positions longer, or reducing rest periods. If you can easily have a conversation during your workout, you're not working hard enough. Here's a real example. Instead of doing regular squats for 30 seconds, do pulse squats. Hold the bottom position and pulse. For 45 seconds your legs will be screaming. But that's where the magic happens. Your body doesn't change in your comfort zone. Mistake number 2. You're not following a structured progression. Most people treat home workouts like a random grab bag. Monday they do a height video, Tuesday some yoga, Wednesday they skip Thursday, they do abs Friday, they try something they saw on Instagram. This scattered approach is killing your results. Why this destroys progress? Your body needs consistent progressive stimulus to adapt. Random workouts might make you sweat, but they won't build the compound effect that creates real transformation. Without a plan, you're just burning calories, not building a better body. The fix: follow a structured program for at least 4 weeks. Focus on the same movement patterns and exercises but make them progressively harder. Week 1, you might do regular push-ups. Week 2, you add a pause at the bottom. Week 3, you slow down the descent. Week 4, you add extra reps. This systematic approach forces your body to adapt and improve rather than just surviving random challenges. Your muscles need to know what's coming, so they can prepare to get stronger. Think of it like learning a language. You don't randomly practice different words every day, you build on what you learned yesterday. Truly engaged. Slow down, focus on form, and make every rep count. 1 focused rep is worth 10 sloppy ones. The solution: putting it all together. Here's how to fix your home workout starting tomorrow. First, create a 4-week plan using the same 5-7 exercises each week, but make them progressively harder. Second, every workout should leave you genuinely challenged, not destroyed, but definitely pushed beyond your comfort zone. Third, slow down, focus on each rep, and feel your muscles working. Remember, home workouts work when you work them right. The problem isn't your living room or lack of equipment, it's approaching home fitness with the same intensity, focus, and progression you'd bring to a gym session. Your body doesn't know where you are, it only knows how hard you're pushing it. Here's the thing, transformation doesn't happen because you have the perfect setup or the latest equipment. It happens because you show up with intention, push past your limits, and stay consistent day after day. Your home can be your gym, your body can be your equipment, and your commitment can be your coach. If this opened your eyes to what's been holding back your home workouts, hit that like button. It tells me to make more videos that actually help you get results. And remember, the best workout is the one you'll actually do consistently. So start fixing these mistakes today. and watch your body respond. See you in the next one. Stay consistent.